guys, it's me, Myra Renette, a Samaniego, a BS Architecture student in the University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines under the section Arc 3B82. So my instructor in Advanced CAD is Architect Maricel Caingles Vigor, and in this video, we will be making the turning torso in Sweden by architect Santiago Calatrava. Well, actually, this activity is gonna be our midterm examination for the first semester rather of this academic year. So, without further ado, just sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy this video. But most importantly, I hope you learn something. So, let us open a new tab for this activity. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna attach the image here. So, just drag the cursor to paste the image here. And then, now that you have it, you just select the whole image, select it, and afterwards you press SC for the scale command, because we're gonna need to scale this photo if we're gonna have to trace it. And then when you have pressed the scale command, we're gonna click a reference point, then click the word reference below, and then click the reference point again, and then click the end of your preferred scale and type a number you desire. Now that we're done with the scaling part, let us start tracing. Now that we are done tracing, we're gonna extrude the shape that we have traced. So for the support, we need to loft it and then use the command fillet since its sides is kinda curvy. Now, since the gaps of these shapes have a specific dimension, we need to create markers in order to achieve the exact dimension of the given image. I just like using markers because it gives me an assurance that I have input the exact dimensions that I want. And now it is time for us to start rotating our shapes in each of their specific angles to prepare for stacking. Our structure is almost done, and now that we have finally stacked them, all we need to do is to create the line that would connect all of them from bottom to top or vice versa. So in making it, we actually have two choices. We can either use sweep or loft. Sweep is the easiest way since you only have to use two shapes, the base and the line path. However, in loft, it could be quite complicated because you have to make in each level the shape where the path should follow. But in my case, I have chosen to use loft since it gives me, as I've said earlier, it gives me a sense of assurance that I have created a much more accurate copy of the image. And this is our finished output. Since this was my first time making this structure in AutoCAD, it took me quite some time to figure things out. So I probably finished it for approximately 12 hours. It's not 12 hours straight though. It was 12 divided hours for 2 days because I also had to finish my requirements in other subjects. And also, it took me time to figure out, especially the part where you rotate the leaf-like structures, so you would achieve the exact and specific angle and dimension it was given in the image. So yeah, but if I'd be making this again, I'm confident that it would take me lesser time this time around since I know how to find my way out now. Thank you for watching and please be safe always.